Hey, what's up, everybody? This is JT. Welcome back to the channel. To all my new subbers, welcome to my channel. So tonight I'm going to be doing a unboxing and reviewing, unboxing and comparing these two kits, as I mentioned in my last video, that I wanted to crack them open and see the difference in the two. Um, the AMT Ertl kit was issued in '98, I think, and this AMT here was issued in 2011. Same body style. The box art on the front is different. This is an actual model. You can look at it and tell all the way around. It's an actual model. And this one's the actual car. You can look at the details and tell the wheels. You see the dirt on the wheels. But this is an actual car. Excuse me. I didn't mean to let that out. So here's the box art for the sides. You can tell both of those are. This color's a little bit darker with a black top, and then this other one have a white top. But the engines are the same on the box art. And there they show it again on here. So let me crack them open and we'll do a comparison on them. All right, y'all. So we got both of the boxes open. So before I open the packages, I want to take a look. So both of them are boxed just almost alike, except for this is all in one bag, and this one has several different bags. So let me open them all up. All right, y'all. So I really need to get some new. I need to get a new stand for my phone so I can show better. But anyway, let's look into it right now. So here we is with this the 2011 release. Let's see if I can move my mic over. So let's take a look at this. So the styrene on it is a little bit brighter than the other one. This one's a little darker, you can tell, but they pretty much are the same. It's not a big difference in them. Both got the same molding, the door handle, key lock, body molding. Let's see. I won't turn around to the back. Everything's the same. The wipers molded into the body. And both have the brace underneath. All the holes are still cut. Everything's still the same. Same with the interior. They both got that little piece of flash right here on the fender. So just a different kind of styrene, I guess. Same thing with the chassis, interior bucket, or whatever you want to call it. Same thing, just different color styrene. So far I don't see why they call that one a 2-in-1. Um, Look at the door cards. Pretty much the same. Yep, everything is identical. Right there, ashtray. I think there's an ashtray right there with the rear window wine. It didn't change much on these at all. Back seats. I hadn't even checked to see if they all numbered the same, but the seats are the same. Let's see what's the number on these door cards. So on here, the door card is 46. Yep, they numbered the same. Numbered the same. Got your frame. Everything is. Somebody getting loose on the motorcycle. Y'all, if y'all hear that. Same frame. I'm talking about nothing has changed at all. So that's the exhaust. Are they numbered the same? The exhaust is numbered the same. Same wheel. Steering column. Battery. Battery has the cables on it and the bracket on it. Console is the same old. What we have here, we got shocks, car springs. Everything is all the same. Got front suspension here. Looks like we got some look like this goes to the breather on the engine. Because if you look at it, that might be, I don't know, I'm not sure, but the hoods are the same. Yep, same old. All right, so here we go. Big block V8. Everything is same old. Match up perfect. There's that breather. I ain't never seen nothing like that before. You got the heads and the oil pan and the look like it's 3 different belts on this pulley. Back then on the automobile engines and Chevy engine, they had a bunch of damn belts on it. But yeah, everything is still the same. I wonder why they call this a 2-in-1 kit. And that one's not a 2-in-1. I don't see. Well, I'm gonna show y'all what's the difference. So there's a muffler system in the ring. Your steering shaft here. Look like it. Dual exhaust. Got a seats. Back in the front seats. Okay. That's the second piece to it. Wheel backs. Got your A-frames here. Got a spindle that's missing and fell down right here. So I'm gonna see. So the chrome trees are exactly the same. The chrome trees are exactly the same. And you got those wheels on here. I think these wheels look more better on the truck. I wonder, is that why they call it 2-in-1 kit? Because you can put different wheels on here. But I might use these wheels on the pickup truck. Definitely not going to use them on here. But there's the wheels that's shown in the box art on both of them. Yep. All right. Let's see. So here's the tail lights, and they are the same. I ain't gonna open this up. There's no use. This one wasn't even in a thing, but they're all the same, still identical. And last up, well, not last, but let's see. God damn it. Oh man, so one of those wheels went into Timbuktu while the rest of the small parts went to. But here's the wheels. These are Firestone wheels. I will not be using these because when I build these, I want to put red lines. So these are the ones from this kit, and these are the ones from the other kit, the Ertl kit. These are Firestones too, as well, but they have a. I guess you're supposed to cut this out or something. I don't know. I guess you're supposed to cut it out. Can't break it out. I guess you gotta cut it. But that's how these look for that kit. So let's look at my favorite here. Let's see. So this one gives you 2 sets of instructions in different languages. So that's what comes with that one. And let me look at the decal sheet right quick on that one. So that's a decal sheet. And what in the world? Oh, 442. Got the W30 442 and the 66 O's, 442 O's, and then got the Oldsmobile here in Firestone. So that's for this one. I can do some cool stuff with these 442 and the Oldsmobile things. So classic reborn. What is this? Oh, I guess this is a little brochure that comes with it, showing you all the newest stuff. I believe I have this one. It's a cool got the Batmobile, Star Trek. There's your semis and trailers. I guess this was all the new release, everything that was coming out. And they also want you to sign up and be heard. Sign up for the free email newsletter. All right, so let's go to the older side, which is this one that has license plates with it, the same as the other one, except they added a Colorado plate. And that's all it is for the decals for that. The blueprinter, so they got the 96 GMC Sonoma. I think I have that one. And they have the airplane and trays and tricks and model of contest winner. Who is that? What did that say? I can't see what it's saying, but that's Mike. Somebody, if y'all know who he is, tag him in this. If he's on YouTube, I might just Google their name and see if he comes up. But he's a model car winner. I can't really see it. It's so small. I need to get me one. This is September of 1990. September 1990 something, y'all. I can't see it. I'm not going to strain my brain with it, but this is the difference between the two. Between the two instructions. So overall, the kit itself, it is not a big difference in it. Not at all. Not even a little bit. I just don't. The only big difference I see is those wheels and the instructions. So there y'all see it. So that's it for the comparison in between the two. I really want to know myself. So before I would build either one of these, I have to get red line tires. Gotta be. Okay. So I thank y'all for watching. I will have another video coming up soon, and I will see y'all in that next video. I'm out.